VyoraMedia, World War III live coverage, with insights and predictions of the ongoing USA-Iran war, the Middle East, the impact of NATO countries on this war. The need of the hour is that we bring foresight of the New World Order. India inevitably plays a crucial role in bringing peace, where countries like USA want to advocate peace through strength. Russia on the Ukraine-Russia war are struggling with business and economic sanctions imposed by NATO of the Europe, and Vladimir Putin doing everything in their power to save their country from the manipulative West, and NATO, which is controlled by UK Starmer, and India, who has been advocating peace throughout the century, still facing heinous acts of terrorism just because they bought some Russian oil, and helping a brother, which is inevitably not an option but engraved in history. Indian ethics have never taught to leave their brothers in the event of a war. So, COVID warriors, which some refer to as World War III, are back with Vyora Media. Russia on the Ukraine-Russia war are struggling with business and economic sanctions imposed by NATO of the Europe, and Vladimir Putin doing everything in their power to save.
Welcome to Vyora Media, powered by Vyora Herbals, inspired by nature, elevated by science.
Until the lion learns to ride, every story will glorify the hunter.
Trading all your secrets, you were betting against my